and welcome to Comcast Local Edition. I'm Elena Russo. Well, with the growing problem of obesity, particularly in our youth, today's guest has a superior way for all of us to get involved to fight that challenge. Please welcome Peggy Geisler, who is the Executive Director of the Sussex Child Health Promotion Coalition. Peggy, thank you very much for coming in.
Oh, thank you for having me.
Now tell us, what kind of problem are we seeing in the Delaware area in terms of obesity?
Well, Delaware has 37 to 40%, depending on where you live in the state, rate of obesity, overweight, of childhood obesity. And it's actually, the trend has kind of leveled off since the initiatives by Nemours Health and Prevention Services and the coalition, and plus all the other activities that are going on in the communities to fight it. So we're seeing a change in the trend, but we still have a long way to go.
Well, in working towards fighting that trend and getting rid of that problem, you have a number of incredible events that people can take part in. Let's talk a little bit about them.
April 17th, we're having our Get Up, Get Moving, and Get Living walk. It's our Spring into Health annual walk. It's the 4th year. It's going to be in 5 communities across Sussex County. And what it is just an awareness campaign, a promotion campaign. After dinner, get out, start walking with your family. Sussex County, Delaware has an awful lot of wonderful places, beaches, parks, that you can get out and get moving, get living, get away from the TV a little bit, and get out and start enjoying yourselves. Get into nature, get out and start moving.
Now, April 17th, we could have rain or shine. Are these rain or shine events?
They're pretty much rain or shine events. You'll hear on the local news if something is canceled, and some of the areas have contingency plans. Some of the schools will open up their gymnasiums and allow people to walk inside. But you really need to go online to our www.sussexkids.com and find out more information about each particular site, because each community makes it their own.
Talk a little bit about the message that Nemours promotes, and that's the healthy eating message.
Well, we work very closely with Nemours, and their 5-2-1 almost none message was sort of a catalyst for this idea. You know, you're supposed to have more than 5 fruits and vegetables a day, no more than 2 hours of screen time, an hour of physical activity, which our walk is exactly an hour, so it promotes the physical activity, and almost no sugar-sweetened beverages. And this is not a diet, or it's just a lifestyle that if you do these types of activities, you're more likely to be healthy.
Talk about the success of these walks in the past. You have quite a number of people that come out.
Well, you know, we started out, the first year we had 3 locations with a little under 400 people. It was the first time, but last year we had 1,400 people, and now we have 5 locations on board. We're really hopefully estimating we'll have about 2,000 this year, and it continues to grow. I think people really like it.
And you've got a really nice incentive for the young people to come out and participate.
The first 100 children at each of the locations, when they sign up, will get a free t-shirt. And the schools have a little competition going on. The school with the most students who come out in their district for that location actually win a cup, the kids' cup. And so it stays in their school for the whole year. So it's kind of a fun kind of atmosphere, you know, a little bit of competition, but basically we're more interested in the awareness and that people just start getting out.
Let's discuss some of the other services that we will find there at these walks.
Okay. We have different types of screenings, probably blood pressure at certain ones, diabetes, and there'll be a lot of health information. The Coalition, Immunization Coalition for the state of Delaware will be present. We have a lot of different community activities for that particular community. The fire departments will be there, police departments will be there. There'll probably be some local DJs at some of the sites. Each community sort of makes it their own. We just sort of kind of coordinate the whole overall event.
Now, is this something that you hope will grow in the future and you'll add more locations?
We hope so. It really is to do with our sponsorship. We have a lot of really good sponsors this year: Nanticoke Memorial Hospital, Huber, Nemours Health and Prevention Services, and Delaware Public Health.
Great. Well, this is a full-fledged example of getting everybody involved in promoting a healthy lifestyle. We thank you for coming in.
Thank you for having me.
You've just heard from Peggy Geisler, the Executive Director of the Sussex Child Health Promotion Coalition. For Comcast Local Edition, I'm Elena Russo.